Saniswift Pro, a compact drain pump system for adding a laundry room or any residential or commercial gray water application anywhere you want without breaking the bank. Equipped with a 0.3 HP pump, it discharges the gray water up to 14 feet vertically and/or 140 feet horizontally, an easy and economical solution for facilities below and away from the sewer line. The above-the-floor installation is a major advantage for reduced labor costs. Bring in the laundry sink and your appliances. The two low-side inlets with built-in check valves, as well as one on the top, handle harsh liquids and allow versatility when installing. The vent connection requires a two-way air vent. Lastly, the discharge with built-in non-return valve. The pump is activated by an air pressure system far superior to the old float switches. Open the top cover for access to the main components and easy maintenance without having to remove the pump. It's that easy. Saniswift Pro, a powerful, economical, and compact drain pump system. CSA certified and IA-PMO listed for nationwide compliance. A product by SFA, Saniflo, the worldwide leader in above-the-floor plumbing solutions.